Are you ready to start your own YouTube channel but worried about showing your face on camera? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people have the same fear, but today, we have some great news for you. In this video, we'll be talking about how you can create a successful faceless YouTube channel and make money doing it, with the help of ChatGPT. With the tools we'll be discussing in this video, you'll be able to create faceless YouTube videos much faster than ever before, and the best part is, it's all for free. We'll be covering everything from video ideas to editing and promotion, so you have all the tools you need to get started. Make sure you watch until the end of this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Let's talk about ChatGPT, and how it can help you create the successful faceless YouTube channel of your dreams. I'm in front of ChatGPT right now and need to find a high CPM niche for my YouTube channel if I want to generate a lot of money. Health and fitness, wealth, and relationships are all topics that can work well and make a lot of money on YouTube. To create a script for a health and fitness video, I would ask ChatGPT for a video outline, and use it to create descriptions on individual topics. For example, I could select the outline to briefly introduce the importance of maintaining good health and fitness, and ask ChatGPT to elaborate on it. Then I would write down all the text in a Google Doc to keep track of my ideas. After creating the script with ChatGPT, the next step is to use Veed.io to make the video. Veed.io is a free tool that allows you to create your video on the website without needing to download anything. To use Veed.io, you need to create a free account and then click on Create a Project. Next, you need to create the audio for your video using the text-to-speech feature on Veed.io. You can select the language and voice, and then enter the text from your script. Veed.io will create the audio for your video almost instantly. Creating an engaging and visually appealing video is crucial for the success of your YouTube channel, and Veed.io makes the process effortless. After creating the audio for your video with Veed.io's text-to-speech feature, you can move on to downloading stock footage from Pexels to enhance your visuals. With just a few clicks, you can drag and drop your selected footage into your project and even add subtitles using Veed.io's auto subtitle feature. The result is a professional-looking video that's sure to capture your audience's attention and boost viewer retention. Once you've exported the video as an MP4 file, you're ready to upload it to YouTube and start growing your channel. With Veed.io, you have all the tools you need to create high-quality videos that will help your channel stand out in a crowded field. If you're creating a video for YouTube, having a compelling title is essential to capture viewers' attention and encourage them to click on your video. Luckily, you don't have to spend hours brainstorming title ideas on your own. As the next step, you can ask ChatGPT for title ideas. By simply saying "Give me appealing YouTube video titles for a video around health and fitness," ChatGPT can generate multiple title options for you to choose from. With a great title in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step of the video creation process. After creating the video, the next crucial step is to create an eye-catching thumbnail that will entice viewers to click on your video. This can easily be accomplished with the help of Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool that offers a variety of templates and features. Once your thumbnail is ready, it's time to upload your video to your YouTube channel and optimize it for search engine visibility using tools such as vidIQ and TubeBuddy. vidIQ is a free tool that offers features like keyword research and competitor analysis to help you rank your video higher on YouTube search results. You can also use TubeBuddy to discover long-tail keywords, which are longer sentences that are easier to rank for than short-tail keywords like health and fitness. For instance, a long-tail keyword like the importance of maintaining good health and fitness can help optimize your video and increase its chances of being found by potential viewers. By using these tools, you can effectively optimize your video for search and attract more viewers to your channel. After converting the script into a video and creating a thumbnail with the help of Canva, the next step is to optimize the video for YouTube search using tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy. By doing this, you can rank your video more easily for long-tail keywords, which are longer sentences that are easier to rank for than short-tail keywords like health and fitness. Consistently uploading optimized videos is key to growing your YouTube channel and generating revenue through AdSense. If you want to generate revenue from your YouTube channel, you can also include affiliate links in your video's description. For example, if you have a health and fitness-based YouTube channel, you could include referral links to products or services that align with your content. From day one, you can start using affiliate links and generate revenue through your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've made it this far, I would love for you to leave a comment below saying, "I made it to the end." And consider sharing this video with a friend who might find it valuable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I'll be sharing more exciting content on this channel, so stay tuned. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.